This is the Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop. If you are in the market for a 17-inch gaming laptop that features the latest specs but does not break your wallet, Nitro 17 is the one for you. The 2023 model offers Nvidia RTX 4050, RTX 4060 and RTX 4070 GPU choices at 115 watts of power plus 25 watts of dynamic boost. The RTX 4050 configuration comes with only 6GB of video RAM, while RTX 4060 and 4070 offer 8GB. All these laptops are powered by the latest AMD Ryzen processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. You can either pick the faster AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, which scores 31,124 points in the Passmark CPU benchmark, or you can save some money and go with the Ryzen 7 7735HS that scores 24,300 points in the Passmark CPU benchmark. Both these are amazing scores, and coupled with the RTX 40 series Nvidia GPU, you can expect really good performance from this laptop in both 1440p gaming as well as 1080p gaming. So take a look at this chart. This is a comparative benchmark with other laptops in its price range. As you can see, Acer Nitro 17 performs really well in both 1080p and 1440p gameplay. It consistently matches or beats the competition. Regarding screen quality, you are getting a 17.3-inch Full HD display with 165Hz of refresh rate. This screen provides an immersive gaming experience that cannot be matched by smaller 15-inch laptops. Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop includes a MUX switch that allows you to disable the integrated graphics for even a better gaming experience. You get 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which is user accessible and can be upgraded. You can also upgrade the PCIe NVMe SSD storage. Acer has done a really good job with the thermals on this laptop. The newly refined chassis comes with dual fans that suck air from both the top and the bottom of the laptop, and it expels hot air via a quad exhaust port design. Overall, this is a fantastic gaming laptop. It offers both the latest CPU from AMD and the latest GPU from Nvidia at a very competitive price. You get a solid build quality with excellent keyboard and touchpad, rigid hinge, loudspeakers that are really awesome, and you get a beefy 90 watt-hour battery life. So in my opinion, you cannot go wrong with Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop if you're in the market for a large screen gaming laptop.